WenGap has 22 restaurants currently. We believe that technology and growth go hand in hand, and one data source seems to be a very viable option. First of all, we are so pleased with onePAY to keep our office nice and lean, and if we were to scale, it would be minimal office staff while still operating under the same terms. And we're really excited because with one data source, some of the internal reporting, the reconciliations, can be done faster and automated. And we are all on board for using technology to get the information that we need quicker. I remember doing a bunch of testing with onePAY first, with kind of doing some of the low-hanging fruit as far as invoices that we received often and we know we can just get into the system immediately in onePAY, recognize those, and then from there we kind of just kept growing which vendors to pick from to be able to implement into the full system. And then over the course of a couple weeks, it slowly rolled into all of our payables and all vendors. We export our data in maybe a different format than other companies, but they kind of altered how they do their things for our needs, which has been very beneficial. One of the largest benefits WenGap gets from onePAY is the automated bill pay. Now we can process payments immediately and almost remotely and automatically put them into our system, where before we would have to do them by hand and manually key them in. onePAY is a good fit for WenGap because we started very lean with our admin and office staff. We started with 20 stores and we only had 2 in our office doing everything: payroll, HR, accounts receivable, payables, and so on. So we were excited with onePAY because all of the payables and some of the other features could be automated, and then we were looking to grow. So having that integrated from the get-go was a huge advantage for us in being able to move forward and grow. And now we're at 22 restaurants, and the weight of the admin has seen very little burden with the help of onePAY. The value that we have found with one data source is the product is great. What is even better is one data source is immediate and very receptive to feedback for how to grow, and they're even asking us what can they do, whether if it's on the automation or reporting aspects, to help them, because we're both in line with scaling and growing.